Hello student. So today we talk about a simple topic. The name of the topic is sex determination. This topic, the sex determination topic, we will discuss in two parts. In the first part, we are going to discuss chromosomal mechanism of sex determination, means this topic, and in the next video, in the second part, we will discuss the genic balance mechanism of sex determination in Drosophila. That topic is different and this topic is different, so we will discuss it in two videos. So just now I told you this is a very simple topic. This is the first paragraph, that is the introductory come some little historical background. I read this. In sexually reproducing organisms, besides morphological and behavioral differences between male and female sexes, the chromosomal differences also occur. It means the males have different morphological characters, females have different morphological characters, that is called sexual dimorphic characters or gender specific characters. There is a difference in their behavior also. So there is not only the differences between morphological and behavioral differences, but there is also a chromosomal differences in male and female. That is written here in the first sentence. In a sexually reproducing organisms, besides morphological and behavioral differences between male and female sexes, the chromosomal difference also occurs. A German biologist, Henking, in 1891 firstly noted that half of the spermatozoa contained an extra chromosome which was called him by X body. He called it as a X body. That time the terminology X chromosome or sex chromosome was not in use, so he called it X body. But he was not knowing the significance of this X body till 1902. In 1902, McClung suggested that X body was involved in some way in determination of sex. So he is the first scientist. McClung in 1902 reported that the X body is some way responsible for determination of sex. Later on, it was well known that X body was a chromosome, that is X chromosome, and it is involved in sex determination. Now we called it as a sex chromosome. So this is a simple introduction. In human female, all chromosomes are paired and are equal size. What does it mean? It means the human females have, you know that there are 23 pairs. 23 पेयर में से 22 ऑटोसोम्स की पेयर्स होती हैं एंड 1 सेक्स क्रोमोसोम पेयर होती है. तो सेक्स क्रोमोसोम में 2X क्रोमोसोम होते हैं फीमेल्स में. सो ऑल दिस क्रोमोसोम्स दे आर होमोलोगस साइज, इक्वल साइज. बट इन केस ऑफ मेल, all the chromosomes are paired, but the chromosomes paired with X chromosome, मतलब सेक्स क्रोमोसोम की पेयर, was distinctly smaller and was called Y chromosome. So size wise in males the sex chromosome पेयर में X chromosome बड़ा होता है, Y chromosome छोटा होता है. In dioecious diploid organisms, following two systems of chromosomal determination of sex have been recognized. In dioecious means having separate sexes. Males and females, two sexes are there, that is dioecious. Diploid means two sets of chromosome, homologous pair, one set from mother side, one set from father side, that is called diploid organism. In dioecious diploid organisms, following two systems of chromosomal determination of sex have been recognized. One, heterogametic males, heterogametic females. This is second one. Heterogametic. Gamete means, you know, gamete. Sperms and ova is called gametes. Hetero means different. Different gametes. heterogametic males and heterogametic females. These are the two types. So here we are discussing first heterogametic males. Heterogametic males, the example is human being. In this type, the female sex has 2 X chromosomes, while the male has only 1 X chromosome. Therefore, during gametogenesis, male produces 2 types of gametes, 50% sperms with X chromosome and 50% sperms are without X chromosome. Okay, it is clear to you? Males are heterogametic, and heterogametic होने की वजह से gametogenesis जब होगा तो मेल्स में 50% स्पर्म दे कंटेन X क्रोमोसोम एंड 50% स्पर्म में X क्रोमोसोम नहीं रहेगा. वाइल इन केस ऑफ फीमेल तो होमोगेमेटिक है, क्योंकि फीमेल में दोनों 2 X क्रोमोसोम्स है, तो 100% ओहा विल बी ऑफ containing X chromosome. So a sex which produces 2 different types of gametes is called heterogametic sex, while a sex which produces similar type of gametes is called homogametic sex. So female is a homogametic, male is a heterogametic. The heterogametic male are of following 2 types. तो इसमें भी 2 प्रकार हैं. हेटेरोगैमेटिक मेल्स आर ऑफ फॉलोइंग 2 टाइप्स. द फर्स्ट XXX0. This XX, that is a female, and X0, this is male. XXX0 type. In certain insects such as Hemiptera and Orthoptera. हेमिप्टेरा में बग्स आते हैं, ऑर्थोप्टेरा में ये ग्रासहॉपर वगैरह आते हैं. द फीमेल हैविंग 2 X क्रोमोसोम्स while male having only 1 X chromosome. Only 1 X chromosome, that means there is no another Y chromosome, only 1 X chromosome. That's why it is shown here X0. So here in this chart the cross is shown, how the sex is determined. The male is X0, sex chromosome X0, this is autosome, and sex chromosome X0. Female, autosomes and XX. So gametes AX, here AX and A0, and after crossing you get these males and females. So this is about the XXX0 type, that is of heterogametic male. And second from heterogametic, that is the XXXY type. In mammals, including human being, certain insects and some angiospermic plants, the female having 2 X chromosomes while male having 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. So that's why it is XXXY. So this example is given here. Human male में 44 ऑटोसोम एंड XY क्रोमोसोम. ह्यूमन फीमेल में 44 ऑटोसोम XX क्रोमोसोम. तो गमेट्स कैसे बनेंगे? 22 ऑटोसोम प्लस X, 22 ऑटोसोम प्लस Y, मतलब 2 टाइप्स ऑफ गमेट्स. 50% containing X, 50% sperms containing Y. Female produces only 1 type of gamete. 100% gametes contain 22 autosomes and 1 X chromosome. So after fertilization, if the X containing sperm fertilizes with OA, there is a female sex. If Y containing sperm is fertilizes with OA, that is a male sex. Now second type, heterogametic females. In the first type, what we have seen, heterogametic males. But this is heterogametic female. मतलब मेल हो गया होमोगेमेटिक, बट फीमेल है हेटेरोगेमेटिक. इन दिस टाइप मेल सेक्स हैज 2 सेक्स क्रोमोसोम. अब यहाँ पर मेल में 2 X क्रोमोसोम्स हैं. पहले केस में फीमेल में 2 X क्रोमोसोम थी, बट दिस इज हेटेरोगेमेटिक फीमेल. दैट्स वाई मेल्स में 2 X क्रोमोसोम्स हैं while the female has only one X chromosome. Therefore, during gametogenesis, female produces two types of ova or eggs. In the previous case हमने देखा था sperm are two types, 50% with X chromosome, 50% with Y chromosome. But यहाँ पर फीमेल्स में हेट्रोगैमेटिक होने की वजह से फीमेल्स प्रोड्यूसेस टू टाइप्स ऑफ एग्स, 50% with X chromosome while 50% with without X chromosome. To avoid confusion with a heterogametic male sex determination mechanism, instead of XY alphabet, ZW alphabets are used. हमने पहले केस में XY अल्फाबेट यूज किया है. हेटेरोगैमेटिक मेल जब हमने डिस्कस किए थे तो वहाँ XY अल्फाबेट्स हमने यूज किए. तो वो कन्फ्यूजन अवॉइड करने के लिए अब हम हेटेरोगैमेटिक फीमेल्स में XY अल्फाबेट यूज न करते हुए ZW अल्फाबेट यूज कर रहे हैं. सो हियर Z0 Z टाइप, Z0 दिस इज अ फीमेल and ZZ is a male. So Z0 ZZ type. In birds, moths, butterflies, the female having one Z chromosome while the male having two Z chromosomes. Okay, this is the cross shown here. Second type ZW ZZ type. ZW like XY, in the previous case XY, यहाँ हमने लिया है ZW, बट ये ZW फीमेल है यहाँ पर और ये ZZ मेल है. इन फिशेस, reptiles, some birds and insects, the female having one chromosome and one W chromosome while male having two Z chromosomes. So this is the sex determination in fishes and some reptiles and some birds. So the cross simple, this is a very simple cross is shown, the parent, their chromosomes, their gametes, and after crossing the how offsprings are formed. Last point of this video, environmental sex determination in Bonellia. Bonellia ये एक वर्म है, माराइन वर्म, समुद्र तट सी में रहने वाला एनेलिड है बोनेलिया. इन सम ऑर्गेनिजम्स द एनवायरमेंट इन्फ्लुएंसेस द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ सेक्स सच एज टेम्परेचर, पॉपुलेशन साइज ऑफ द स्पेसीज एंड द सेक्स ऑफ अदर इंडिविजुअल्स. दे इन्फ्लुएंसेस द सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. तो टेम्परेचर का, एनवायरमेंट का इफेक्ट होता है, नॉट ओनली ऑफ सेक्स क्रोमोजोम. सेक्स क्रोमोजोम तो हमने देख लिए, बट उसके अलावा एनवायरमेंट का भी इफेक्ट होता है सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन पे. तो उसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल है, बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स है, बट इन एज पर योर सिलेबस वन एग्जांपल इज देयर, दिस बोनेलिया. इन मराइन वर्म बोनेलिया, मेल बोनेलिया lives inside the cloaca of female like parasite. The female produces eggs which are fertilized by the male. The eggs hatches into the larva. Those larvae settles on the proboscis of female, develops into male. If the larva does not find any female to settle, it attaches to substratum and develops into female. So this we discuss in diagram. So here in this diagram, this is a female. Female is a very big. Female size is very big and male is a very small. This is a magnified view of male, and this male is present here in the cloacal region of the female. So male is present or resides in the cloaca of the female as a parasite. ये जो मेल है ये फीमेल के बॉडी के अंदर क्लोएका में छोटा सा यहाँ पैरासाइट सेल का रहता है. एंड दिस मेल प्रोड्यूसेस स्पर्म. फीमेल प्रोड्यूसेस एग्स, ओहा. That oha they are fertilized by the sperms of this male and then the eggs are laid. अब एग्स लेड होने के बाद उसमें से जो लार्वी निकलेंगे, thousands and hundreds of eggs are laid, and जो लार्वी निकलेंगे वो लार्वी if they settle on this proboscis, यहाँ पे अगर वो चिटक जाते हैं, इस पे सेटल होते हैं, तो वो होते हैं मेल्स, उनका सेक्स होता है मेल। अगर कुछ लार्वा उनको अगर यहाँ पे सेटल होने का चांस नहीं मिलता है, सो दे अटैचेस टू एनी अदर सबस्ट्रेटम इन द सी, एनी रॉक और समवेयर, एंड दे डेवलप्स इनटू फीमेल। सो हियर द एनवायरमेंटल सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन में ऐसा है कि दिस बोनेलिया, इफ द लार्वी फाइंड्स proboscis, female proboscis to settle, they develops male, and if they do not find the female to settle and they attaches to another substratum, they develops into female. So this is a very simple topic. Here we finish it. Thank you.